Hello, good morning. I'm Kumudu Kitchen. So today I want to make um, dal curry, lentils curry. So this is 1 cup lentils. I just wash very good and I add 2 cup water and I just want to cook and first part. Okay. All right. I'll be back second round. This is already cooked. So I cook 10 minutes maximum 10 minutes, less than 15 minutes. So it's already cooked, so I add 1 teaspoon garam masala, homemade garam masala powder, and then I put half teaspoon turmeric, and then I have salt, and then half cup coconut milk, heavy coconut milk. All right, and then I take away and put it to another empty pot. So I'm gonna add a little bit vegetable oil, coconut oil, olive oil, whatever you like it. Keep oil is coming hot. And so I want to add a little bit mustard seed. Oil is still not hot. A little bit mustard seed. And a little bit onion. And curry leaves, fresh. And garlic, chopped garlic, and red chili pieces, and then green chili. Just smell is so good. Everything is coming a brown color. And then we add the lentils and just cook 5 minutes. That's it.